Hi guys, this is Umut and I'm gonna show my first game engine. Okay, I just started to write my game engine for 3 days and it's going really well. I use AI sometimes for some complicated mathematical operations such as matrices. I'm gonna show that class also. Okay, let me show my own game engine. I'm gonna run the engine. Let's see it. This is the game engine, guys. This is scene. Basically, in like Unity, this is my scene. Like normally, you are expected to edit some cubes in scene. Like in Unity, if I click this cube, I can rotate it, move it, or scale it. But there is no features such as like that for now. Okay, this is really simple, guys. In C, what do you see? What I'm doing in here, vector space. This is a three-dimensional vector space. You just have to know what vectors is all about, and projection. Projection is the most important thing in this game engine because it's the fundamental thing on projection. Okay, just let me show this vector space. As you can see, this is my vector tree struct, and there is no any libraries, just mathematics and physics. Our dimension is 3-dimension, x, y, and z. Okay, this is looks easy, right? But like I just implemented some operations here, like vector tree operations. What is subtraction for vector trees? Because just 2 minus 2 means 0, right? But how can you know this? From mathematics and machine. Your machine knows that 2 subtracted by 2 is 0. But what is a vector A? Vector A subtracted by vector B. Okay, what is it? Just your machine asks you that, what is it? And you just have to implement your own subtraction operation between two vectors. Okay, this is an easy thing. And also addition operation, scalar production operation, and basic and important operation, I mean the function for two vectors at distance. This is also a mathematical operation. Like if you want to know the distance between two vectors, you just have to use a formula for this distance formula. I mean the first vector's x subtracted by second vector's x, and this is squared root in squared root and the square of this thing. However, it's not all about vectors. Vectors just theoretical information for our space. Our space is 3-dimensional. Okay, we did our vector 3 space, but how can we project? Projection is like, you can think rendering. Rendering is more general, but projection is what you see in this scene. Okay, projection is simple. Just let me explain. Like you can see that player. If I approach the player, you can see my screen is approaching the player. But if I go back, player is about to getting small, because this is perspective projection and it's called perspective projection. Like in real life, if you approach something, it is going to be bigger, but if you go back, it's going to be small. And there's formula for this projection. This is formula of perspective projection. X final equals x over z, because it's all about z. Z is important for perspective projection. And this is the simple projection, and there is so many calculations in here and just CPU does that, not GPU, as you can see. And let's see how it looks like. Just if you hit the play button, as you can see, it looks like Unity, or simple Unity I should say, because this is my first game engine and simple game engine. But there is something bugs, like this is a bug. Like if I enter this cube boundaries, there is no, I mean my machine does not know how it has to be rendered first, and I have to fix it. I know, I just have to use zbuffer. Zbuffer will solve this. This is just simple order of the objects. But up to now it looks good. And also I just wrote my own build system, but it's really simple, just really simple. I just want to show this is my build service. Okay, just of course it's not exe file, it's not JSON, it's bat file. Okay, I just wanted to build. What should I do? Stop the game, just hit the build button, but I have an error. Okay, I just have to delete the old things, I guess. Like if I go here, here and here, this is the game engine, builds, my have some game in here. Okay, just I will delete this build. But okay, there is a problem because there's a game in here, it's already running. Just I closed, and I'm gonna try again, and I'm gonna hit the build button again, and yes, it's completed. What if I just try to play? This is the bat file, this is the exe file, but the exe file is about the engine for testing, and this file is .bat file. Okay, this is the game, this is the exact game that we play. This is the game, this is the game engine from, I mean this is the game from this game engine. This is the build, guys. Very simple, just for computers for sure. This is the thing, guys. I've been doing this and I'm gonna develop this project as I can. This is like, I mean I used AI for this matrix operations because matrix operations is really brain rot. I used like, this is rotation matrix. I mean this rotation matrix accepts a angel from for radian format, and takes it for a matrices, the second column, second row and second column, and multiply this by, like for example, cosinus. Okay, these are the math operations. That's it, guys, and I wrote a function for my game engine, a stress test. Let's see it, how does it work in game manager. As you can see, it's a function that is written by me. This is simple, guys. It accepts an count and creates cubes about count. Let's see it. Okay, for now we just create 20 cubes, just like create 100 cube on random positions and random rotations. Okay, just let me try. I'm gonna run the engine. Okay, as you can see, there are 100 cubes on scene right now, and our FPS is going to be less than the previous, exactly, because there are more cubes than previous. As you can see, if I hit the play button, I can play the game, but the FPS is low. I mean, I didn't have anything for the performance of the game engine. However, it looks great for now because I have some features like scene, like game, play button, stop button, and build button. Thanks for the listening and watching my project. You can suggest something if you know about game engines, or and also I forget to say that I don't use any libraries or like any 3D graphic libraries, like I mean Vulkan or OpenGL. I don't use anything, but I will have to use as time flies. I know, because I just use the CPU, not the GPU. But I'm gonna have to use the GPU, so I will have to use the like OpenGL APIs or Vulkan. You can give advices. I would be happy. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.